Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsecar, South Yorkshire. Many people ask about the Encaustic Art card and what's the right and wrong side which to use. The white Encaustic Art card, that's the white Encaustic Art card, is double-sided. They've both got a glossy side. One side is slightly shinier than the other, but it really makes no difference. You can use either side to paint on with your waxes. So that's your white card. That's just a piece of A6. Here at Encaustic Art Plus on our website you will find the A6 painting cards in packs of 100, and it's a 300 GSM in white. The coloured card, however, is a little bit different. There's some gold and some black. But watch when I turn it over. It's white and got a slightly different finish. This card is not suitable for painting on the reverse. You will not get the same effect by painting on the reverse side of this card. The shiny side of this card is where you want to be painting. Encaustic Art Plus stock packs of the coloured painting card. This is an A5 pack with 24 sheets. It's a 250 gram card and it's mixed colours. You've got some red, some cream, some black, some silver and gold in there. I'm going to take a piece of gold card and a piece of black Encaustic Art wax, and I'm just going to melt the black over the iron. Embed it onto the piece of gold card and slide all over the card. Take the iron in your hand, turn it around. I've got the cable across the top of the handle so it's out of the way. I'm just going to make patterns in this wax. Pop it down, lift it up, see what we get. Pop it down, lift it up, pop it back down. And again, and again, and again. So we get like ridging. We can pop the iron back in here and shake the iron. Different kind of like a shaking ridge. Turn it round so we can get to this side. Pop the iron down. And just wobble the iron till it wobbles all the way off the edge. Pop the iron up and down a few times. We can go in and do a bit of smoothing. Lifting again. All painted with the back edge of the iron. This nice square shape here at the back. Just a little abstract pattern painted on gold card using black wax. An abstract pattern using black painting card and white encaustic wax. White number 16. Just fill the iron, slide through. Sometimes you'll find with this black card it will stick a little bit more. There you go, look, it's covered nicely. Don't worry also if it bends a little bit. The flex in the card is due to the heat. And I'm going to take the iron in my hand and spin it round, popping the cable across the back. Just pop the iron down and lift and see what you get. That's quite interesting. Twist the card, popping it down, and then shake this time. Got some ridging. popping it down. Then ridging. Then I'm going to pop the iron in again and lift. Pop the iron down, up, down, up. Just right at the very corner, just smooch the iron out. There you go, lovely little abstract, painted in white wax using black card. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.